Hell, it's just old gear. Y'all that been following my channel for a while, or this year, have you learned anything from my Shedwars gardening videos? If you have, please let me know down below if it's something you didn't already know. If you're learning, you can just say I'm learning. But sometimes you sow seeds and you think, they won't need thinned out. I got them nice and spread evenly. And then they pop up. These radish have popped up and they're pretty thick, so they'll need to be trimmed. I use a little pair of Fiskars, can't think of what they're called, trimmers. You can use scissors. I recommend some kind of nippers or scissors, or you can just use your fingers, pinch them off. But just come in there and, okay, I want to cut that one. I want to cut that one. And on these radish, you want them 2 inches apart. You can take your clippings out or just let them fall. Marigolds, see this right here? It's still got a little bit of green on it. You can nip it off so you can grow more flowers, or you can leave them on there to where they're dried out longer, like this one right here, except for, or even this one right here. There's seeds in there. Focus. Guess it ain't gonna focus. But you can save those seeds and plant marigolds again. I know this is about growing vegetables, not flowers, but marigolds are good pest deterrent and help keep some of the bugs away. And they're beautiful too. So we're gonna thin those out while we're grilling. Tomatoes. These tomato plants was pretty well goners, but he started to green at the top, so I left them since I didn't plant any fall tomatoes. And would you know it, I'm growing some more. That's a Cherokee purple. We got many it's a mess here, many cherry tomatoes on here. And these cucumbers, there's 4 cucumber plants in here. They're not all gonna survive. So I'm gonna, that one don't look the best, and this one don't look the best. These two are looking a little bit better. I know they're closer together in the dirt there, but it's less competition. You notice I have tomatoes, or not tomatoes, marigolds planted with all my tomatoes. That's helped keep a lot of pests away from my tomatoes. Marigolds, tomatoes. Over here, I guess I already trimmed it, but we had a bad limb on the Armenian cucumbers. Let's go over here to these cucumbers. This one is looking pretty bad right here. Well, it's looking good on top, so we'll just trim the bad parts off of there. We don't want to trim that main stem there. Oh, sorry. What else? We're growing the turnips, carrots here. Got weeds growing in here. Just gently pull the weeds out. You don't want to pull the turnips or the carrots, but just gently pull the weeds. Now, some people will say, like if you're growing in the ground, once your plants get so tall, go ahead and let the weeds grow for ground coverage. But myself, I like to drop the weeds to cover the ground, not give the weeds any nutrients or any more than they've already taken. What else? Once your yellow green beans are this big or a little bit smaller, they need to be picked. Would y'all look at that? Yellow Cherokee wax beans. Oh man. Gonna have to go get us a freezer bag. But yeah, a few deadhead marigold flowers, more bloom. What else can I show you? Guess that's going to be it. We're trying to grow some yellow zucchini squash. A little bit late in the year, but we're trying. Hopefully this has helped someone. If not, apologize, but I'm trying. Y'all have a good. Bye for now.